Hey there folks, ever heard of backflow? It's more straightforward than it sounds, and today we will break it down for you. My name is Royce Murphy, a certified Golden Rule plumbing professional. You know those sprinklers in your yard that keep your lawn looking lush and green? Well, usually when you turn on your faucet, water flows out and down the drain, right? It can't come back up, which keeps everything clean and safe. But here's the thing, those sprinklers work a bit differently. That's where this little device comes into play. It's called a backflow preventer. Think of it like a one-way valve, constantly checking to make sure water flows in the right direction. When a sudden pressure change could cause water to go the wrong way, this little hero stops it in its tracks. To do its job, it's usually installed upstream or before your in-ground sprinklers, often where your irrigation meets your main water line. You should find these RPZs, or reduced pressure zone assemblies, in your basement or outdoors. So let's say a backflow event occurs causing water to start flowing in the opposite direction. The second check valve should close, the relief valve should open, and then the first check valve should close as well. Why is this important? Well, if your irrigation lines are all closed off, which they should be when you're not watering, the backflow preventer makes sure nothing gets damaged or contaminated. But here's the catch. These preventers can wear out over time, and freezing weather, not their best friend. Especially if they're not winterized each season. But don't worry, if your backflow preventer isn't working or has a leak, we've got your back. Just call the local plumbing pros at Golden Rule and we'll fix it for you. So there you have it, backflow prevention made easy. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep your water supply safe with Golden Rule Backflow service. Give us a call today.